tested. In 3 months, I saw growth. Within 1 year, I felt like a completely different person. It feels wonderful to have that Texas spirit I had way back when. Try the #1 dermatologist recommended hair growth supplement brand at Nutrafol.com.
When I first learned about my Dupuytren's contracture, my physician referred me to a hand specialist. And I'm glad he did, because when I took the tabletop test, I couldn't lay my hand flat anymore. My first hand specialist.
The National Weather Service in Lee City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Fort Bend County and south central Harris County until 5 o'clock this afternoon. At 418, a severe thunderstorm was located over northern Missouri City, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. This storm is said to be bringing 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include, but are not limited to, northwestern Pasadena, Sugar Land, Missouri City, Stafford, South Houston, Bel Air, West University Place, Galena Park, Hunters Creek Village, and Piney Point Village, Midtown Houston, Downtown Houston, Greenway, Upper Kirby area, Second Ward, Greater Heights, Neartown, Montrose, Town West, Greater Eastwood, near Northside Houston, and Greater Fifth Ward. Again, a severe thunderstorm warning is in effect until 5 for northeastern Fort Bend County and south central Harris County. This concludes this broadcast of the Emergency Alert System. Stay tuned to this station for further updates on severe weather conditions.